I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth sync system in this Ford Transit 2019 plate. If we just go to settings, switch on Bluetooth, so there you go, it's all showing there, and then we go here. I'll just exit out of that. To be honest, we'll get out of that. Go to home. So you see there, you can add device. If you just click on that, or if you do it the long way, if you go to settings, into Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device. That's just showing one of my cameras that I'm, and there you go, Ford Transit. So we'll click on Ford Transit. It's thinking about it. Barry's iPhone 11, trying to pair. Does it match? Yes, it does. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
There you go, automatic contact download. You see there, Ford Transit connected. So I'll finish there, and I won't bother with that. That's about the text, but it works anyway.